There are many ways to live your life. You could live your life by design, or you could live your life by accident, which unfortunately is what most people do. And often that choice is completely up to you. If you're interested in experiencing your ideal lifestyle by design, I'm about to share with you a powerful mental tool that you can use to do just that. It's called idealization. With idealization, you imagine that you could create a perfect life in any way imaginable, a life without limitation where you could be or have anything that you wanted. You can live a life with nothing stopping you from achieving everything you deserve and nothing holding you back. Designed by you and for you. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, the easiest way to get in the right frame of mind for effective idealization is to use the magic wand method. Imagine that you have a magic wand and that you could wave it over every aspect of your life and instantly make that aspect perfect in every way. All you have to do is wave that magic wand over these 4 most important areas of your life: work, family, health, and finances. So let's start with work. Close your eyes and picture your ideal work life. As you wave your magic wand over your ideal work life, start to identify areas that you'd like to improve, the ones holding you back from achieving your big goals. Think of opportunities at work where you can start to make things perfect, or as perfect as they could possibly be for you. Start with your business and your career and your income. What would these look like if they were perfect in every way? What type of work would you be doing? How many hours would you be spending doing this work? Who would you be working with most of the time? How much would you be earning if you were doing exactly the right work and being paid exactly the amount of money that you want? Remember, the magic wand lets you think beyond limits, so think big, as though you had no limits at all. Stretch your imagination and experience your ideal life without constraints. Feel your success as you design every aspect of the life that you deserve. Doesn't it feel incredible? Now that your imagination is warmed up, wave your magic wand over your family life. What would your ideal family life look like? Really, let your subconscious be free to design your perfect future. Where would you live? What would your home look like? Where would you go on vacation? Would it be adventurous or relaxing? How many children would you have? And would you have any pets? What would your relationship look like? Really let the magic wand fill in the details and put yourself in that vision of your future family life, envisioning yourself there surrounded by your loved ones, as though everything was perfect in every way. Now that you have a clear picture of your work and family life, it's time for you to design your health and fitness. What would your idealized health and fitness levels look like to you? What would you be able to do or do more of? Would you get back to playing golf or tennis, or spend more time relaxing with your family, or reading, taking notes? Now imagine your meals, your food. What would you be eating and nourishing yourself with? What would you eat more of or less of? What ailments and health challenges would you be able to avoid, giving you the vitality and energy to experience all that your enriched life has to offer? And finally, wave your magic wand to design your ideal financial future. How much money would you have if your financial life was perfect in every way? How much would you have in the bank? How much would you be earning on a regular basis? How much would it be increasing over time? Be very specific. And one critical thing is think on paper. Write it down, write it down, write it down. How would you achieve this wealth if you had no limits? Picture your bank account balance, your income and your savings, your investments for retirement. See them growing bigger and bigger. See the money that you have available to enjoy nice meals out and along with the finer things in life without worry. Feel the stress evaporate from your body as you no longer worry about finances or debt, as you envision yourself securing your and your family's financial future. Now that you've used your magic wand to design those ideals and craft your perfect life, it's time for you to take action and begin moving toward them so that they begin moving toward you. Often, when you look at these big goals, they can be overwhelming. And while thinking and dreaming about your goals is fun, it's not enough to actually make them happen. To make them a reality, you need to set up a clear path to give your subconscious mind a target to reach for while taking concrete daily actions toward realizing them. Start by taking the lofty goals that you set for yourself in each of these 4 areas and reverse engineer them. Work backward from the goal and break each one down into smaller achievable steps with specific timelines. These are called SMART goals. Using SMART goals will set up your subconscious mind to actually realize your idealized life one goal at a time. And if you're looking for a clear, simple path to your ideal life, check out my SMART Goals template to help you live your life by design. Now, I'd love to hear from you, so my questions for today are, when was the last time you really thought about your life by design? When did you last write it all out and plan each step, imagining each part of your future? And if you haven't done that, why not? Remember, whatever you write down clearly starts to become your reality.